Welcome to Ebencuts.com. This is the only website for all your classroom resources. All our resources they are actually made from scratch. You can see how we actually make some of our resources. They are resources designed from scratch with the use of different objects that are child friendly, and also with the use of materials that are also child friendly. Some of our product comes in form of sticker, some of our product comes in form of paper, and also we have some plastic materials also that can be used to beautify that room or that learning space. We have a lot of our products. If you can just visit our website is ebencuts.com. When you get to ebencuts.com, this is the website. It is actually easy to actually place order. When you get to the website, just scroll down, you will see all our materials there. We have borders, we have classroom, we have also branding materials to brand your school. Maybe let me open some of them down. We have classroom borders, we have classroom banners, a lot of classroom banners for you. We have display board, we have door decoration, we have a lot of flashcards. We also have some literacy material, we also have some numeracy material. We have mini cards in terms of a mini banner, and also have mini cards. We have motivational sticker, about 70 of them. We also have a lot of paper. We have pelican card. We have posters, different instructional posters for you in the classroom. We have selfie frame. We have special poster. We have STEAM product, a lot of STEAM product. If you run a thematic curriculum in your school, this is for you. We also have thematic. We have tie and dye materials. We also have wall stickers, and then we also have window stickers. So when you open any of those tabs, or you can also scroll down to see our newly uploaded materials. Like this, we just uploaded this. That is the one I was actually showing you when we were actually designing them. So this is one of our products. Title: when you enter this room, you are author this and that. So this is actually a product that your school actually need. Let me show you the end. Very nice products, child friendly. This is how it actually looks like. It comes in form of banner size. Then there are different smaller ones that are very useful for you in the classroom. So this is we don't really need your creativity to actually arrange this. Just use your creativity to arrange this, and you will find this very useful in your classroom environment. The paper used is about 300 grammage, and when we talk about 300 grammage, that means it is very thick. So you need to visit our website. When you get to our website, there is the word buy via WhatsApp. So when you click on buy via WhatsApp, it will take you to the WhatsApp number of one of our representatives. Then from there you can place your order, or you click on the word add to cart. So when you click on the word add to cart, so from there you can easily add these products to your cart, and from there you can also end everything by buying via WhatsApp. So this is our branding materials, your floor stickers, your banners, your flex stickers, and more. We also have classroom borders, very easy to use to border all your works in the classroom. We also have classroom banners, a lot of classroom banners. We just uploaded the handwriting banner, which is in form of Johnny Phonics handwriting. We have a lot of math materials for now. You have to visit the website. Christmas is around the corner, and you can also see a lot of that. And also you can see a lot of our display board. We have a lot of them. Everything is already cut in a pack. You only need to just open the pack and arrange them according to what you are seeing up here. We also have a door banner. This is a door banner that you can use to also transform your learning environment easy to use. We also have flashcard. Flashcard can be used as learning resources. It can also be used to beautify the learning environment. We also have STEAM materials. As STEAM materials, we have life cycle of almost all objects that you can think about. We also have posters, multiplication table, and lot of them. We also have mini banner. Mini banner is just in form of A3 size. You combine them together to form a normal banner size. We have mini cuts, different mini cuts that you can actually lay your hands on and use your creativity to combine in the classroom environment. We have posters in form of landscape and portraits. They are actually there for you to. We have a lot of them, so you still need to click on the 2, 3, 4 to see all the remaining ones. We have paper. We have Pelican card in our store. You need to see our Pelican card. We have posters, different posters, growth mindset, wash your hand. So you need this poster in your school. Selfie frame. So if you are talking about welcome back to school, you need to come and visit our website to see all of that. Then talking about special banner, a lot of special banner in our store, and you need them a lot in your school. STEAM activity, I've showed you something like this before. You need to go and see all the STEAM activity. We have thematic in terms of solar system. So solar system, if your team is solar system in your school, you need to visit our website. And talking about tie and dye, we have a lot of tie and dye for your school. And stickers, a lot of stickers. We have staircase sticker. This is the one in town right now, and other ones also are available. So visit our website. Our website once again is ebencuts.com, and I will be expecting you to place your orders as soon as possible. So if possible, if you can reach us via our website, you can also you can just chat up us by WhatsApping the number 081 3409 6110. So give it a try. Our products are reliable, our products are easy to use in the classroom, and I'm very sure that you will find this of interest. Thank you very much for watching this video.